All Pro Gutter Guards delivers professional downspout installation in Moorestown, New Jersey, helping homeowners protect their foundations and siding from water damage. Our team installs durable, properly sized downspouts that improve drainage, prevent erosion, and protect your home from costly water damage. Each system is measured and fitted with care for smooth, reliable performance. We focus on clean workmanship, secure fastening, and long-lasting materials that hold up to New Jersey's weather. We make sure your downspouts blend with your home's exterior while delivering the strong, efficient drainage your property needs. Contact us today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a downspout installation expert near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. Why are downspouts important for my home? Downspouts guide rainwater away from your foundation, preventing flooding, soil erosion, basement leaks, and long-term structural damage. Do downspouts require maintenance? Regular cleaning and seasonal inspections help keep them clear of debris. Ensuring proper alignment and sealing also prevents leaks and blockages. What is your service area for the Moorestown, New Jersey office? Our downspout installation services have helped customers in the surrounding areas of Moorestown, Mount Laurel Township, Medford, Mount Holly, Lumberton, Burlington, Voorhees Township, Haddonfield, Cherry Hill, Woodbury, Cinnaminson, Pensauken Township, Collingswood, Evesham, Delran, Burlington Township, Southampton Township, Pemberton Township, and Burlington County, New Jersey. Where is your Moorestown, New Jersey downspout installation office located? We are located at 309 Fellowship Road, Suite 200, Mount Laurel Township, New Jersey 08054. Our phone number is 609-307-3762. Visit our website, apgutterguards.com/Moorestown-NJ.